Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and today we are making pretzel buns. In a bowl, add 350 ml warm water, 7 grams dry yeast and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Stir until well combined and then let it rest for about 3 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and then it's time to add the flour. Add 200 grams all-purpose flour and stir until the flour is incorporated. Then, add another 200 grams all-purpose flour and continue stirring. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, stir, and then add the rest of the flour in 2 steps, 50 grams at a time. Use your hands to form the dough and knead until it has an elastic texture. In case the dough is too sticky, add more flour. Place it in a greased bowl, cover, and let it rise in a warm place until doubled in size. Place the dough on a greased surface to be easier to work with. Cut it in 8 equal pieces and then form the pretzel buns. Don't worry if they are not equal, they will have the same delicious taste. Cover them with a kitchen towel and let it rest until we prepare the next step. Meanwhile, we need to prepare the boiling solution. Combine 1.75 liters boiling water with 150 grams baking soda. Boil the pretzel buns for 30 seconds on each side. Remove them from pot using a slotted spoon and place it on a baking sheet. Immediately, use a knife to cut a small incision on top of each pretzel bun and sprinkle coarse sea salt on top to your taste. Cook the buns 30 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. Grease the pretzel buns with melted butter. If you want to see more recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notified every time I post a new recipe. See you on Thursday with another recipe. Till then, bon appetit!